Now, linear equation, some more applications. Yesterday before, we we discussing the digit of the number. Now, this is this was the example 14, and today we start the example number 15. We discuss here. The example is written there. Arjun is twice as old as Shreyas. Arjun is twice as old as.
लाइट ऑफ हम कर बैठ जाए.
Okay, I am mute all of you. Okay. Arjun is twice as old as Shreyas. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Shreya's age. Find their present age. So the first statement, Arjun is twice as old as Shreyas. If we find the Shreya's age, then we easily find the Arjun's age. Now, first you let assume, let our solution is, let the Shreya's age, present age, let the Shreya's present age be X years. Then Arjun's age, Arjun's age be twice as old as Shreya's age. Shreya's age is X, then Arjun's age is twice X. Okay? Now, according to question, 5 years ago, his age. So 5 years ago, 5 years ago, Shreya's age equal to 5 years ago. That means 5 years subtracted from this age, X minus 5 years. The symbol of Y for years they put there. And similarly, 5 years ago, 5 years ago, Arjun's age is also, you subtract 5 years from this age, 2x minus 5 years. Now, according to questions, 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age. 3 times. Whose Arjun's age is 3 times of Shreya's age. So we write Arjun's age is 2x minus 5 equal, and Shreya's age is x minus 5. This is years equal year. Now we balancing the equation. 5 years ago, his that means Arjun's age was 3 times of Shreya's age. 3 times. If you multiply 3 times from Shreya's age, then Arjun's age be equal. And we multiply 3 from Shreya's age, and both the sides are equal. That means it is balanced. It is balanced. Now this y years and this y years be cancelled, and we open the bracket. 2x minus 5 equal 3 into x is 3x plus minus minus 3 5s are 15. Now we arrange variable one side and constant other side. That means 3x, this 2 go that side, 3x minus 2x, and this 15 comes to the LHS, and we rotate the equation, pens be interchange, 15 minus 5. Okay, this 15 goes to the left hand side, it comes positive, and this 2 go to the right hand side, it comes negative. And then we change the pens. 3x minus 2x equal 15 minus 5. And now 3x minus x is equal to x, and 5 minus, it is come 10. The value of x is 10. Now this value, find their present ages. Therefore, we put this value there and there. Now, therefore, the present age, Shreya's present age is 10 years, and Arjun's present age equal 2x. We put 2 into 10 years, and 2 10s are 20 years. And that is our answer. Okay, it's clear? Om Singh, clear ho gaya? Okay. Now again I explain. In this question, Arjun is twice as old as Shreyas. जब तक हमें श्रेया की एज का मालूम नहीं होगा, हम अर्जुन की एज नहीं निकाल सकते. तो हमने एज्यूम कर लिया श्रेयास की प्रेजेंट एज x है, तो अर्जुन की x ट्वाइस है, तो 2x हो गया. 5 years ago, दैट मीन्स 5 साल पहले, तो 5 साल आपको घटाना पड़ेगा हर एक की एज में से. x minus 5 years, 2x minus 5 years. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, फिर क्वेश्चन को हम इक्वेशन की फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. बिकॉज श्रेया's एज इज, अर्जुन एज इज इक्वल टू थ्राइस ऑफ श्रेया's एज, 3 times ऑफ द श्रेया's एज. हमने इसको 3 से इक्वल मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, दोनों इक्वेशन बैलेंस हो गई, ईयर से ईयर कट गया, इक्वेशन को सॉल्व कर दिया, x की वैल्यू आ गई 10. इस वैल्यू को हमने यहाँ पुट कर दिया, दोनों के प्रेजेंट एज आ गई. दैट इज आवर आंसर. ओके, इट इज क्लियर? इट इज क्लियर? Om Singh, it is clear? Okay, now we start the exercise 2.4. Now we start the exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4, and my first question 1. Amina thinks a number. Amina thinks a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. I don't know what the numbers Amina think. Then in maths, let's assume
Sir, your video is not coming. Sir, your voice is not coming. Your voice is not coming, sir. Sir, your voice is not coming. Your voice is not coming, sir. Sir, your voice is not coming. Sir, your voice is not coming.
प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, मैंने बोला है लेकिन पता नहीं आवाज जा रही है कि नहीं जा रही है, कुछ समझ नहीं।
यहाँ पे यहाँ पे
हाँ
जाके आराम
नहीं, मैं तो मैंने बता दिया है, बता दिया है। हेलो स्टूडेंट, आवाज आ रही है? अभिषेक, अभिषेक गिरी, मेरी आवाज जा रही है आप लोगों के पास? अभिषेक, अभिषेक, कैन यू लिसन? ओह, म्यूट हो गया।
Your voice is not coming, sir. Sir, you mute self firstly.
एक बार और बच्चों की बात लगाइए ना कान में।
म्यूट किए हुए हैं, अभी आवाज नहीं जा रही होगी आपका।
तो वही ना,
तो अब सुनिए,
अब सुनिए।
आप सुनिए,
हेलो,
आप खुद ही म्यूट किए थे।
हेलो, वही तुम। हेलो, मेरी आवाज जा रही है? हेलो, किसी एक को खोलिए, सूरज को खोलिए, सूरज बच्चे का, ये रहा सूरज, ये रहा आगे, ये रहा, हाँ, इसको ओपन करिए।
मैं
क्या मालूम, किसी को भी खोलिए।
अनम्यूट हो रहा है,
हेलो,
अपने डिवाइस से अनम्यूट करेंगे तब होगा, रनिंग आउट ऑफ।
चलिए काट दीजिए, खत्म करिए।